How to link headings to table of contents in Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, select the first heading you want to link. After you select the first heading you want to link, simply select it. Click on Headings at the top, which is in the Styles, and then scroll down to another page that you want to link. Simply select the text and then click on Heading 2. And at the top where you want your table of contents, click on it. And then go to References at the top. In References, click on Table of Contents at the top left. After that, click on Automatic Table 1, which is the first option. As you can see, the linked headings are in here. And this is how to link headings to table of contents in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.